the southern banks of the Pangong Lake. Now dominated by Indian positions, with Chinese positions in India's line of sight and fully vulnerable to Indian action. But like we also told you first, the Indian Army's actions in the last 6 days in Ladakh aren't restricted to just the south bank of the Pangong. In fact, the Indian Army has moved to take dominant positions along the entire stretch in eastern Ladakh. Apart from the dominant positions on the Pangong south bank, the Indian Army has readjusted its positions across the lake on the north bank's Fingers complex, further north in Hot Springs, and even at the restive Daulat Beg Oldi sector of northern Ladakh that overlooks the Depsang Plains, a sector where China has provoked continuously with a build-up and blockade of Indian patrol teams. Even south of the Pangong south bank, the Indian Army has strengthened its positions in Chumar all the way south to the Demchok sector. But what do these actions actually mean on the ground? To begin with, the Indian Army positions at these strategic heights means it becomes more difficult for China to mount any more aggressive actions. The Indian posts can track Chinese movements far more easily and in real time, with early warning of Chinese build-up and activities. India's dominant positions also allow better forward planning of India's next steps.
The situation in eastern Ladakh remains extremely tense in the backdrop of certain actions taken by the Indian Army to secure territory and provide a tactical ultimatum to the Chinese. While a fragile line of communication still exists between the brigade commanders of the two armies, it's very clear that from here onwards, temperatures are going to rise despite the onset of winter in eastern Ladakh.
With the army chief taking stock of the actions of his troops, India's men on the ground also know they have the full support and backing of the leadership to do what it takes. With Abhishek Bhalla in Leh Ladakh, Shiv Arur in Delhi for India Today.
Abhishek now joins me for more on the story. Abhishek, the situation on ground right now, what's happening in Ladakh?
Well, Gaurav, the situation is extremely volatile as of now. Things have escalated to a completely different level. And the reason for that is what has happened in the last few days in the south bank of Pangong Lake. Now, India made it very clear that this was a preemptive action, but China has been accusing India of crossing the line of actual control. Whereas India says that they are on their side of the LAC. But what has happened is that India is now controlling some very crucial mountain heights, which allows them to be at a vantage point. It allows them to have a very close look at some of the military bases of the Chinese. They are dominating these heights. And from here, especially the Renchenla, Indian Army also has a clear view of what's happening at Finger 4 on the northern bank of Pangong Lake. So all this put together has really changed the situation in the last few days, which it seems has put India in some position to bargain better when it comes to negotiations. Having said that, the Indian Army is also extremely alert. It has enhanced its surveillance all across sensitive areas in eastern Ladakh, because they are expecting, they are preempting that China would make similar attempts to intrude into Indian territory, or perhaps